Here we are at one of Taunton's least favorite. Oh, right through a spot through a red light. Least favorite four-way intersections: Longmeadow Road, Dean Street, Gordon Owen Riverway. Dean Street is / Route 44. There are no dedicated turn lanes here. Well, the State Department of Transportation has finally announced that it has a plan to upgrade these traffic signals. We don't know when. Haven't gotten a response from them yet. But they had a public hearing here in Taunton at City Hall on Wednesday night, explaining the project, which will include an expansion of the lanes of travel between the intersection of Route 44 and 104 down to where I'm standing. Most of this is one lane on each side of travel. There's a merge. As far as turning here, making a left-hand turn across the lane of travel, you're on your own. There are no dedicated turn lanes. And traffic, as a rule, moves very fast down here. I've had quite a number of crashes here in recent years. The Gazette has covered it, taken photos. So hopefully within the next year or two, we just don't know at this point how long it will take. This will be a lot more civilized. All right.